Good afternoon, students. So, in the previous class, we have discussed mode individual series and discrete series. So, today we are going to discuss the mode continuous series. Okay, same like median and mean. Here also we will be having in continuous series. We will be having a different types here. Okay, same exclusive intervals, inclusive class intervals, mid values, unequal class intervals. Okay, less than, more than. Okay, same what we have learned in mean and median, again same topic will be there here. So here today we are going to discuss the mode inclusive class intervals. Inclusive, see, class, nothing but normal class intervals. So once you see this sixth question here, okay, calculate mode from the following data he has given. So class intervals he has given, frequency also he has given. So here also what we have to do means we have to do the grouping table and analysis table. Same like in discrete series what we have done, here also we have to do the grouping table and analysis table. Okay, so first we will do the grouping table, analysis table, later on we will apply the mode formula. Okay, in case of discrete series what we have done, just we have done the grouping table, analysis table. Okay, their number, which value has been repeated number of times, that is the mode that we have done over there. So now in continuous series what we have to do means we have to do the grouping table, analysis table, and even we have to apply the formula over there. Okay, so once you see the answer here, so one more thing, simultaneously you have to do the grouping table and analysis table. Okay, so to avoid the confusion, at a time you have to do the both the tables. Okay, so in the already I have said that in grouping table we will be having how many columns? 7 columns we will be having, and in analysis table how many columns will be there? You have, first of all you have to count here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 plus 1 9. Okay, we have to count here class intervals. For that we have to add one more column, total 9 columns. Okay, see here, first grouping table you see now, values we have taken, nothing but class intervals we have taken. Next frequency, the frequency which has given that frequency, and column 2 3 4 5 6, column 1 is nothing but a frequency here. Afterwards what we have to do, we have to draw the analysis table, one at a time you have to do So in analysis table what we have to do, we have to take all the class intervals here. One column is for this column row, and class intervals you have to take 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. Okay, so now what we have to, after drawing the two tables, grouping table and analysis table, now what we have to do here means, first you see the frequency column here, nothing but first column. In first column, which is a higher value here, 85 is the higher value, which is a higher value here, 85 is the higher value. Okay, where it lies? It lies between 40 to 50. It lies between 40 to 50. So see here, first column we have to mark it under 40 to 50 here. Okay, that is the first one. Next we have to go to the second column. Second column is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 means nothing but 5. 5 plus 15. 5 plus 15 means how much? 20. Next 30 plus 55. 85. 85 plus 60. 145. 45 plus 25. 70. In this, which is the higher value? 145 is the higher value. 145 is the higher value. How we got the 145 here? By adding 85 and 60 we got the 145. So 85 and 60, where they are lying? They are lying between 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Okay, now we have to go to the analysis table. Second column we have to mark it here, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Okay, by adding both the values we got the 145 now, so that's why we have to mark under both the columns here. Next column 3, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 is nothing but first one you have to leave. From here you have to count 15 plus 30. 15 plus 30 is how much? 45. 50 plus 55 plus 85 is how much? 140. Okay, next 60 plus 45, 105. Last 25 left, 25 only one is there left, leave it over. So here in this column, which is a higher value here, 140 is the higher value. Which is a higher value here? 140 is the higher value. How we got the 140 here? By adding 55 and 85. By adding 55 and 85 we got the 140. So 55 where it lies? 30 to 40. And 85 where it lies? 40 to 50. Means where we have to mark it here now in third column, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Clear? 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Next going to the fourth column. Fourth column, 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5, 15, 30. 5, 15, 30 is how much? 15. Next 3. Next 3. 55, 85, 60. How much we got here? 200. So in this column, which is a higher value, 200 is a higher value. How we got the 200? By adding 55, 85, 60. 55, 85, 60, we got the higher value. Okay, last leftover is 45 and 25, and here we don't have another value, so no need to add this. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In that way we have to take. So 200 is the higher value. 200 by adding 55, 75, 85 and 60, we got the 200. 55 lies between 30 to 40, 85, 40 to 50, 60, 50 to 60. So where we have to mark 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. By adding 3 amounts, we got that value now. So in 3 columns, nothing but in 3 class interval columns, we have to take it here. Next, fifth column, 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2. Okay, 2 plus 3 plus 4 means first one we have to leave. So here second one, 15, 30, 55. From here you have to count. 15, 30, 55. How much we got? 100. Next 85, 60, 45. 85, 60, 45. How much we got? 190. So which is the higher value here? 190. How we got the 190? By adding 85, 60 and 40. So 85 means 40 to 50, 60 means 50 to 60 and 45 means 60 to 70. So in analysis table, fifth column, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Next, last sixth column. Sixth column is 3 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 4 plus 5 means first 2 we have to leave. From third value we have to add 30, 55, 85. 30, 55, 85. 30, 55, 85 means how much? 170 we got. 60, 45, 25. How much we got here? 130. So in these two values, which is a higher value? 170 is a higher value. How we got the 170? By adding 30, 55 and 85. 30, 55 and 85. By adding these three amounts, we got the 170. So where it lies? 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So see here. 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Okay, so that's why I have said that simultaneously you have to do both the tables here. Now what we have to do? Now add how many times it has been repeated. You have to add 1. This is 3 times. Nothing but 20 to 30 class interval 1 time, 30 to 40 3 times, and 40 to 50 6 times. So here 40 to 50 class intervals it has repeated more number of times. So mode lies between 40 to 50. Mode lies between 40 to 50. So here. So mode lies between 40 to 50. So mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 plus F2 into I. This is a mode formula. So here L1 means nothing but which we have selected here, 40 to 50 class interval we have selected na. So this 40 will be L1, lower limit, and F1. So F1 is nothing but we have selected 40 to 50 class interval na. So here we have to go to the frequency here. So this 85 will be the F1, and above that 55 will be the F0, and below that 60 will be the F2. Okay, how we have selected 85? Because here, see, mode 40 to 50 repeats number of times. Okay, so 6 we got here. So that's why we have selected this class interval 40 to 50. Okay, so F1 will be 85, F0 will be 55, and F2 will be 60. So now we have to apply in the formula. So L1 is how much? 40 plus F1 85, F0 55 divided by 2 into F1, 2 into 85 minus F0 55 plus 60 into I. I is nothing but class interval difference 10. Now 40 plus 85 minus 55, how much? 30. So 2 into 85, 170. 55 plus 60, 115 into 10. So 40 plus 300. 300 how we got? 30 into 10, 300 divided by 55. 55 how we got? 170 minus 115, we got 55 is equal to 40. After dividing 300 by 55, how much we got here? 5.45. And finally the mode value is how much? 45.45. Okay, this is in case of normal class intervals. Okay, normal class intervals. Clear? So here you have to do the homework. 7th question, 8th one, 9, 10. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 4 questions are homework for you. If you have any doubts, you can call me. Okay.